Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Shim Ching, board-certified plastic surgeon and founder of my own skincare line, Shim Ching MD. I specialize in facial rejuvenation, which basically means I help people look as young as they feel. And today, I want to talk to you about a really important topic, one that has very practical implications, and that's retinol and the do's and don'ts around it. Retinol is like the superhero of skincare ingredients. If you're not using it as part of your anti-aging routine, you are missing out. But it's also one of those products that really requires some know-how to use correctly. Historically, people struggle with redness, irritation, or flaking, and they give up on it. After you hear these do's and don'ts, you'll understand how to make retinol work for you and actually hit your anti-aging goals. So let's break it down. Retinoids are powerful because they directly address the key drivers of aging: lines and wrinkles from collagen loss, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dehydration, and dullness of the skin. Retinoids increase collagen, speed up cell turnover, exfoliate the surface, and even help regulate pigment. And that's why they're so effective and why they've been studied more than any other ingredient in skincare. We're talking over 40 years of good clinical research. So quick history lesson here. Retin A or tretinoin is a prescription version of retinol. Retinol is over the counter. They're both vitamin A derivatives and both ultimately get converted into retinoic acid in your skin, which is where the magic happens. When I was developing my skincare line, I knew retinol had to be included, but I also knew traditional formulas were too harsh for a lot of people. That's why we designed our retinol products with a gentle, time-release delivery system so they're effective but better tolerated, even on sensitive skin. Now let's talk about do's and don'ts. Do number one. Start slow. Retinol isn't a race. Start with a lower concentration just a couple of nights a week and build up gradually. Consistency is more important than intensity. Do number two is use it at night. Retinoids are light sensitive, so nighttime application is best unless you're using a formula specifically designed for day and night use, like our microdose retinol in Shim Ching MD Skin. Do number three is pair it with moisturizer. Retinol can be drying, so follow up with a good hydrator. Some people even like the sandwich method. Moisturizer, retinol, moisturizer again. Do number four, always wear sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, and unprotected sun exposure will undo all the anti-aging benefits retinol provides. Do number five is be consistent and patient. Real changes take time. You'll start noticing improvements in 6 to 12 weeks with results building for months and even years. Do number six is don't be afraid to use it around the eyes. This is one of the best ways to strengthen the crepey skin and soften fine lines. Now for the don'ts. Don't number one, don't use standard retinol in the morning. Sunlight will inactivate it and increase the irritation. Don't number two, don't mix it blindly with other strong active ingredients like high-strength vitamin C, glycolic acid, or benzoyl peroxide in the same step. Rotate them instead. Don't number three is don't use it during pregnancy. Always check with your doctor before starting something new. Don't number four, don't combine it right before procedures like lasers, waxing, or peels. Pause a few days before and after. Don't number five is don't overdo the amount. More isn't better. A pea-sized amount for the full face is enough. And the final don't is don't quit. Most people will give up during the adjustment phase, the first couple of weeks where you might see some redness or flaking. Want to expect that. Adjust how often you use it, buffer with some moisturizer, and stick with it. The payoff is absolutely going to be worth it. So that's my comprehensive guide to the do's and don'ts of retinol. Used the right way, it's one of the most powerful tools we have for keeping your skin youthful, healthy, and vibrant. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, drop your questions in the comments, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to learn more about how we design retinol to be gentle but effective, check out the retinol products in the Shim Ching MD Skin line. I've really enjoyed sharing this with you. Take care. I'm Dr. Shim Ching.